Good evening to all. The 59th medical term that we'll be discussing today is about vaccines. So, what exactly is the term vaccine mean? Well, it's a biological preparation. Why do we say biological preparation? Because it includes living organisms or parts of living organisms, generally pathogens, but with their reduced antigenicity. And the purpose of providing vaccine is to induce an immunity with a long-term protection. So once taken, apart from the doses or the boosters that we need to provide, we don't need to take or there's no requirement for an additional protection. So how does it work? There are three steps: recognition, response, and memory. So even though it is made by a harmless pathogen, it can still induce an immune response. It's like an immunogen. So when it actually detects a foreign antigen, it can start producing immune cells or even antibodies, which can kill the particular harmful antigen, but later on develop into memory cells, which can remember for a lifetime the exposure to this particular foreign antigen. So in terms of safety, of course, vaccines provide individual protection, and for example, if in a community, if there are more than 70% of the individuals who have got vaccinated, it can cause a community immunity. So that's called herd protection. And definitely, it causes safety uh, in terms of not getting diseases in the long run. So there are six types of vaccines: live attenuated, where the antigen which is weakened but alive is used; inactivated, where the antigen is killed. Third type, subunit recombinant polysaccharide conjugate vaccine, where parts of the antigen is used, like, for example, biomolecules like proteins, sugars. Then toxoids, where the toxin that is responsible to cause the disease is inactivated. And the fifth type is mRNA vaccine, where they use the mRNA, which will translate into proteins as a vaccine preparation. The other method is viral vectors, where the pathogens or the reduced pathogens are introduced into a vector which acts as a carrier, and that is delivered into the person. So, live attenuated examples are like MMR, mumps, measles, rubella. Inactivated is like the polio vaccine. Then the recombinant is our human papilloma virus vaccine. Toxoid is given for tetanus, diphtheria.